it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is my December Facetory unboxing and my November Facetory review. If you're new to my channel, what this is I unbox the month I just received, and then I review the month prior to that after I've had time to test everything out. Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription service. You can get 4 or 7 masks sent to you every month, and it is, I think, just under $20 for the 7 masks including shipping, and like around $8 every month for the 4 masks. But I will have their website and more information in the description box if you are curious. I do want to say I'm sorry I'm so late getting to reviewing November and unboxing December. I know it's a little bit into January now. Life just kind of got in the way and I had other videos to put out, and I've waited to unbox this until I could do it on camera for you guys, but I've had this for like 2 weeks now. I'm so sorry about that. So let's just get started with the December Facetory 7 Luxe unboxing. Oh, the box is so pretty on the inside too. It matches the outside. I love these boxes. They're so pretty. And it says sweet mask and chill. And it has the instruction card like usual. And oh my god, I love the color of this tissue paper. It is so pretty. Oh, it's like a minty color. It's so pretty. And let's just get started with the first mask. It is another Facetory brand mask, the Let's Talk Detox Purifying Pore Mask. It has charcoal and volcanic ash, which will detoxify clogged pores, making them less visible and leaving your skin smooth and soft. I unfortunately cannot try this one. It seems every Facetory mask has either aloe or soy in it, which are 2 main irritants for my skin personally, but I do have roommates that would love to test this out, so Facetory, why you gotta put that stuff in your masks? I really want to try your masks. The next mask is the Baggy Milk Thistle Repair Mask. This has Silybum Meranium seed extract, which is milk thistle, and it's anti-aging and protects against UV radiation and slows down the skin's aging process. And it has anise fruit extract, which is antioxidant and astringent and protects skin from free radicals. So this mask is going to be good for sensitive skin, and it will create smoother and more youthful looking skin. This one does not have any major irritants for me, thank goodness, because it sounds really amazing. I love a good anti-aging mask. I love something that's gonna take, you know, years off my forehead, because I struggle with the fine lines on my forehead. I'm 29, they're getting deeper. They're not getting any more shallow unless I get Botox, and I don't make money enough to do that. I got tattoos to buy and makeup to buy. Botox, nah. So I will gladly do this mask. I'm super excited about it. The next mask is the 23 years old Cocoon Gold Silky Mask, and it will provide deep hydration as it works to quench dry skin. It has silkworm cocoon extract, which contains sericin to prevent dehydration and boost moisturizing properties, and willow bark extract, which is a natural exfoliant that will clear pores and promote clear, healthier looking skin. This one is all in Korean on the back, so I can't verify the ingredients right now, but I do think it's one I want to try because I do have normal to dry skin, and especially in the winter it leans more on the drier side, so I'm really excited for something that's supposed to be so super hydrating. The next mask is the Dr. Althea Water Glow Skin Renewal Hydrogel Mask. It has jojoba seed oil, which helps smooth skin and unclog hair follicles, and it has niacinamide, which improves enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. This one is like the longest sheet mask I have ever seen. I don't know, it's like bigger than my head. I've never seen that, but it sounds really amazing, and it has Samsung's logo on the back for some reason. I don't know why, what this sheet mask has to do with Samsung. I really like Samsung though, and I'm excited to try this mask. The next mask is the Xianli Pollutant Defending Mask. It has broccoli extract, which protects your skin as it does not absorb UV rays and upregulates cells to protect against UV damage. It has fig extracts, which is high in vitamin A and C and promotes exfoliation and elimination of superficial skin cells, and cabbage extracts, which heals and soothes your skin while keeping it healthy looking. And I do apologize, I've been forgetting to say the prices for all of the other masks. The first mask, the Facetory Let's Toss Detox, was $4. The Baggy or Baggy was $3.50. The 23 years old was $5, and the Dr. Althea was $6. This mask is $3.50. It sounds really cool, and I'm really excited to try it. I don't really live in a polluted area. Oh my gosh, I had lipstick on my teeth this whole time. Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? Say something next time, okay? Anyway, the only thing that worries me is that it has fragrance in it, but it's the very last ingredient, so it's a small concentration, so it should be fine, and this should be really fun. The next mask is the Simply When Snow Song Illuminate mask, which retails for $4. It has niacinamide, which improves the appearance of fine lines, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. Sodium hyaluronate, which is skin restoring, moisturizing, and aloe, which soothes and hydrates and has anti-inflammatory properties. So right off the bat, just reading the major ingredients off the card, I'm gonna have to let one of my roommates try this one because it has a no-no ingredient for me. But it does sound really, really nice, and it's such pretty packaging with the white and silver and the snowflakes. So I'm really excited to hear what they have to say about this mask. Too bad it has aloe in it. The final mask is the December Probiotics 3-Step Total Solution Mask, which retails for $5. This mask is supposed to give you moisturized, glowing skin. The first step is a probiotics toning pad, which will take off any dead skin cells and provide moisture. It has betaine salicylate derived from sugar beets, and it's a BHA which exfoliates while improving tone and texture. Step 2 is a probiotic mask pack, which you leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, and it has bifida ferment filtrate, and it has hydrating, soothing properties while offsetting oxidative skin damage in the presence of UV light. And the third step is the December Probiotics Intensive Cream, which seals in all of the ingredients from the first 2 steps, and it does contain beeswax, which is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and calming for the skin. I was super excited about this because it sounded like a great mask to bring traveling, and I will be traveling soon. I am going to PAC South in San Antonio, Texas. I will be meeting up with a few of my YouTube friends there and doing a collaboration or 2, so look forward to that on the channel. But the beeswax just killed me. Beeswax, like in lip products or eye products, anything like that, it burns my skin. It burns. I cannot do this mask at all. So unfortunately, it's another one for the roommates to test out, but I am happy that this month, more than half, I am able to try out myself, and they sound really fun. So December looks like it's going to be a good month. Before I review November, I did want to let you know, because I'm going on a low buy and I'm looking to spend less money as well as consume less and not be so overwhelmed, I am going, starting with January, from the 7 Lux down to the Forever Fresh. I am not canceling my Facetory subscription completely. I'm just getting 4 instead of 7 masks every month. So when you see me unbox January and review December, I'll unbox 4 masks and review 7. And then for the rest of the year, it will just be 4 unboxed, 4 reviewed every month, which will make the videos a lot shorter, and it should be a lot better for you guys too, a lot less to sit through to get the information you want on the masks. So let's get started with the November Facetory 7 Lux review. These masks, if I remember right, over half of them I wasn't able to try myself, so I did have help from my roommates, and I will give you their thoughts on these masks. But first, let's start with the Facetory Oh My Goodness Rejuvenating Snail Mask, which retails for $3.50. This one has snail secretion, which has hyaluronic acid and glycoprotein to hydrate and prevent aging, and shea butter, which smooths dry skin and seals in moisture. Unfortunately, this one also had aloe in it. I still gave it a go because I really wanted to give it a try. I think I broke out from it, but I did feel hydrated and softened and smoothed, and I did enjoy it, but I do think it broke me out the next day. So I wouldn't recommend this if you have a sensitivity to aloe, but it is a nice mask, so I will put it on the recommended list. I do put individual links to all the masks I recommend from the previous month down in the description box, just in case you're interested in purchasing these individual masks. I do not put the links for the ones I don't recommend. The 23 years old Rose Gold 24 mask is next. It retails for $6 and has Rosa Centifolia water, which contains vitamins and antioxidants to moisturize dry skin, and astringent properties to tighten pores and reduce inflammation, and gold extract, which is anti-aging and increases elasticity. I tried this one as well. I felt it hydrated, it reduced my pores, it smoothed my fine lines, and it calmed. So I would definitely repurchase this one in a heartbeat. $6 is a little bit pricey, but it was really, really nice, and it did a lot for me, so I would recommend this mask. The next mask is the Skin 17 Tea Americano mask. This one has 3 steps. The first step is a Moisture C-Zone ampule, which has aloe, which is anti-inflammatory, that soothes and hydrates. The second step is a T-Zone essence, which has propolis extract, which is anti-inflammatory, which soothes, heals, and balances. And the third step is a mask with coffee seed extract, which promotes production of collagen and elastin to combat aging. Kristen tried this one, and it was because of the aloe, and she said that it was soothing, her skin felt tighter, and it was hydrating, but she had a sticky feeling after, and she wouldn't reuse this mask, especially the second step, which had also honey in it, because it just left her face so sticky and yucky, and she couldn't get rid of that feeling without washing her face. Like, it didn't absorb into her skin. So this is not a recommend. The Cascodi Sparkling Wine Mask Sheet retails for $3.50, and that's the next mask. It has wine extract, which it has resveratrol to help fight aging skin, Rosa Centifolia flower water, which contains vitamins and antioxidants to moisturize dry skin, and willow bark, which is a natural exfoliant that will clear pores and promote healthier skin. I tried this one. I felt it was super refreshing and moisturizing, but it was okay. It didn't like blow up my skirt too much, if you know what I mean. It wasn't terrible, but it was like average. and I don't want to recommend average mask to you, even though it's only $3.50 and it was refreshing and moisturizing. It was just okay, so I'm not going to recommend this one. Next is the XOY or Zoe Dark Choco Mask, retailing for $4.50. It has cocoa extract, which promotes production of collagen and elastin, while the caffeine and other compounds of this ingredient tighten the skin and reduce inflammation. And quinoa seed extract, which contains vitamin E to help nourish and moisturize skin by promoting elasticity and regeneration of skin cells. I tried this one and I loved this one. It calmed, it moisturized, it smoothed my skin, not just like texture but fine lines, and it also smelled amazing. It smelled like chocolate, like better than the chocolate bar palettes. It smelled so good. I highly recommend this one. The next mask is the Nature Kika Herb Restore Sheet Mask, which retails for $3.50. It has made caseoside. It's derived from Centella asiatica that helps strengthen the skin's barrier and soothe irritated skin, and sodium hyaluronate, which is skin restoring, moisturizing, and reduces the appearance of blemishes and is anti-aging. I tried this one, and even though it says it's really good for soothing irritated skin and for sensitive skin, I had quite the opposite experience. It left my face really red and sticky and just uncomfortable and inflamed, and I do not recommend this one at all. The final mask is the Dufton Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask, which retails for $4. Has aloe, an anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps soothe and hydrate the skin, and artichoke leaf extract, which is rich in antioxidants and helps improve the appearance of the skin while also reducing the signs of aging. Kristen tried this one again because it has aloe, and she said it was cooling and soothing and hydrating and not sticky. She would repurchase this one again, so I'm definitely recommending it to you guys. It will be linked down below if you are interested. So I would say 4 out of November were recommends repurchases, 3 were not. So overall, was it worth the price of the box? Yeah, I would buy it again just to test everything out and find out. But, I mean, money-wise, with the value of the mask, maybe not. Maybe November wasn't such a great month. But I am really excited for December, all of those moisturizing and hydrating masks we have in there. I'm so excited for them. So stay tuned for next month when I unbox my January Forever Fresh bag and review my December 7 Luxe kit from Facetory. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!